Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the uptrend continues, higher highs and higher lows, and that's what it's all about. We did get one bit of big confirmation here, and that is in regard to this red line there, up there at 21 cents. Talked about that in previous videos as that main area of resistance, and surprise, surprise, the power of charts, came right up to there and got rejected from it. So by no means am I saying that that level is impossible to break or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did get, rejected right there, and that going forward, that is confirmation of the next big hurdle that will need to be cleared if this upwards trend is going to continue. But any angle you look at it, even though the price, because you got to stop and think, the price did still put in a higher high. So just because it got rejected at that resistance doesn't mean it was a bad day. It still put in those higher highs. And like I started off the video saying, higher highs and higher lows, that's how trends are built. And that's exactly what happened here. So on that note, just continue to watch that purple line there. That's really the simplest way to view all this from the overall perspective, and no pun intended, but that purple line being the 50 period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is just going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, as long as the move, that right there is being defined as quote unquote the move, stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying up above, these higher parts of the chart would be fantastic. But even if it does pull back a bit more, as long as any sort of pullback is all above that purple line, then that is by far what matters most. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing there new to report. Already talked about that. That remains up there at that red line of 21 cents. But all in all, fantastic week. Very nice way to grind with those higher highs and higher lows. So let's see if the trend can continue to be built next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.